If you're looking for new things to add to your dashboards, let's spend some time to learn how to use the button counter and the speedometer. First, you need the developer tab. Let's click on the button counter and draw one in. And let's move it into place. You can resize it with the little circles. Right click and format control. You need to click this little arrow and choose the cell you're going to link to. We're going to link to closed deals. So as you adjust closed deals up and down, you'll notice that is going to change automatically using the button counter. Looks good. You will also need these formulas to get your totals. So pause here if you want to collect these formulas to type in, or find this in the workbook on my website, executethevision.com. Again, with the formulas to make sure our totals and percent of totals are correct. Down at the bottom, we need a table for the speedometer. This is going to have a min value, max value, and what we consider to be poor, average, and good. More formulas, so go ahead and pause and copy those. And then ticker thickness is how big or how thick you want that black line to be on the speedometer. Now let's select min through max and go up to insert our donut chart. And we can move this by just clicking and dragging. Click on the title, press delete, click on the legend, press delete. We don't need those. And when you click on the donut, we want to make some adjustments here. We need to turn the angle of the entire thing, and we need to make the actual whole chart thicker. So we're going to use those fields over there to adjust. And then fill, no fill at the bottom because we don't need the bottom half. Now I used red, yellow, and green as colors. You can choose whatever you wish. So I'm just going to click each section here. Yellow is going to be this middle range, and then green will be off to the right, which would be closer to 100%. So off to the side here, you can select green. No outline. We don't want outlines. That makes the colors appear better without having a break in the color. And let's right click on series data. We need to add to this. So the first portion is going to be our current score. The second is going to be highlighting the current score, ticker thickness, and the range. Now it looks pretty weird, so we're going to make some more adjustments. Click on this, and we want to make sure that these two types of charts match exactly here. So we need a donut as the first, pie as the second, and check the box. And now let's go up here again to no fill because we want to get rid of that gray. It was covering our actual chart we needed. And then right click here again and format. And again, we're going to change the angles here. Close that. Select this portion of blue here. Right click and format. There is a lot of formatting to do here. No fill. Now you have your speedometer. I like to make the ticker black so it really stands out. You can make it any color. So I'm just going to go over here and choose the black color. If you want to make it look even better, you can follow the same thing we did and right click and do no outline. So now as you go up and down with the button counter, notice your speedometer is automatically updating. And as you keep closing deals, you can adjust it up, down, however you need to, and you've got your entire dashboard. Let's finish with unchecking grid lines.